Hi friends, today I wanted to share with you one of my favorite art techniques. So to do this, you're going to take a plastic baggie and some markers and you're going to color kind of randomly with some colors of your choice. This works best if your markers are newer, so they have lots of ink. So try to avoid any markers that are kind of dried out. So here I'm just blending some pink and turquoise and a little bit of purple. So once you've got your marker colors on there, you can either take a spray bottle and spray a little bit of water on there, or if you don't have a spray bottle, you can just flick some water onto it with a paintbrush, and then take your paper, place it on top, and give it a slow rub. And when you pull it off, you have a really pretty marker print that looks sort of like blended watercolor. So here's a couple that I made. This also works really beautifully with actual watercolor paints. So if you have watercolors, you can put them onto a baggie and it works the same way too. So one thing I like to do when these are dry is to practice some fun lettering and write friends' names or write an inspiring quote to give to someone. So these papers can be used for lots of things once they're dry. So if you'd like, you can give this fun technique a try.